walking to the promenade.
Promenade. Nice. See, you're learning.
Say for. Okay, so when you're doing something for a specific amount of time, we always have to say for 2 weeks or 2 months. Yes?
She has been working on the translation during a few hours.
For.
So it's for.
For.
I put for.
Yeah. Good,
Okay.
yes. For a few hours. Good.
Yeah. She has been watching TV since 6 p.m.
Yeah, perfect. It's okay.
Did you try the homeworks I sent you?
All the homework.
Cool, okay.
James was falling down the stairs yesterday while I was cooking dinner.
This one's actually James fell down the stairs. It's fell. Fell because it was one action. So he fell, yeah, because it started and it finished. And I was cooking dinner. You could say, for example, James was falling when I saw him. So you're talking about while he was doing it, there is an action.
Okay.
That's when you would use the continuous. But here, they are explaining the action, not during the action. So James fell.
In Africa, all students are interested. This is the first time in my life that I found a classroom with silence. Yes, in Madagascar, and there people have a high conscience, were aware of the lucky they had to go to school.
They were conscious of the fact that it was a privilege to go to school.
Yeah, it was a very big privilege.
Can you share your scheme now or not?
Yes, I can. So, when you're ready.
Alors, your presentation was very useful. In particular, the part on marketing strategy.
Yeah.
First one is always easy. Okay, if you had come earlier, you would have found a good seat.
Do you remember last week when we were talking about we can do would have?
Yeah, you would have.
You
would have
okay, found a good seat.
You would have found.
Have found a good seat.
My class isn't as well behaved as yours.
Perfect.
Reading is very good for children's intellectual development.
Yeah, I love doing lessons with you. You're brilliant.
Man's greatest invention is, so the last one, the computer.
The computer, yeah. Okay, you smashed that.
Yeah, the first one, easy.